Hello guys, welcome to this piano lesson. And so today I'll be teaching you how to play Yaweh Sabaoth by Nathaniel Bassey. It's a recent song. Alright, so Yaweh Sabaoth means the Lord of hosts or the Lord of armies. So I'm going to play the song in the key of C, then I give you the full piano tutorial. Let's go guys. Yaweh Sabaoth, 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 Yaweh Sabaoth. Ti-di-di-di-di-di, 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 ta-da-da-da-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, da, 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 da. Yaweh Sabaoth, Yaweh Sabaoth, Yaweh Sabaoth, Yaweh Sabaoth, the Lord of hosts reveals your glory. Yaweh Sabaoth, Yaweh Sabaoth, Yaweh Sabaoth, Yaweh Sabaoth, the Lord of hosts, show forth your glory. Yaweh Sabaoth, Yaweh Sabaoth. Alright guys, so that's how the song goes. The straightforward chord progression. So the chord progression, we have the 6. Alright, 6 times. Remember we are playing the key of C sharp. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So this is how the song goes. Alright, so we have the 6. Alright, we have the 6. We have that's A minor. We have F, which is F major. Alright, then we have G, which is we have 5, which is a G major. Right, that's for the first part. Alright, so Yahweh, that's 6. Yeah, 6 and 4 F major and 5 G major and alright, we come back to the 6 and 6, that's A minor. That's all about that part. Yahweh Sabaoth, Yahweh Sabaoth. Alright, then the other part is da 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 da. The same thing. Da 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 6, da 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 da. 4, 5, da 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 da. 6. Ti-di-di-di-di-di. 5, 6, A minor. Alright, so the chord progression changes a bit when we go to this other part. Alright, the Lord. Alright, so this 3 minor, that is E minor. Alright, that's me. So I'm playing the inversion of the chord. Right, I invert it here. Alright, the Lord, E minor of hosts, C minor. Right, that was this G. Alright, I invert it here. The Lord, E minor of hosts, C minor. Alright, your glory reveals. Go back to 3. That's E minor. Reveals your glory. Alright, go back to A minor. Alright, Yahweh Sabaoth, was playing the inversion, all right? Sabaoth, Yaweh Sabaoth. So it's still go back the same chauffeur, all right? E minor. Yo, all right. So the Lord of hosts, second part, show forth E minor your glory. All right, that's E minor. Yaweh Sabaoth. So guys, that's all about the chord progression. Don't wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.